So some problem has happened with the game. A lot of problems. Basically, there's a new update coming. I'm finally adding score and like a scoreboard, and you can put your name in and everything, and it'll be awesome. And I'm adding new colors so you can pick what flavor you want. If you don't know already, the game I'm making is a sugar where you're a sugar-free bottle of drink and you're dodging sugar right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And it's a lot. I think it's a lot of fun. And now I'm adding a scoreboard, and you can choose different flavors like blueberry, raspberry, stuff like that. At first, it's just going to be one new flavor, but anyway, for some reason, there's a huge problem with the actual game itself. I got it on an official packaging thing. So there's an official packaging place where you get to package your software, which is your game, and for some reason, it just doesn't work. It doesn't work. I don't know why. It says like the game's not safe, and it should be a proper Microsoft thing or something like that. Now, I installed the packaging software on Microsoft. Like, what's happening? Anyway, so I have to make my way around that, but I have to re-upload the game. And what I want to do is I want to make the original game without the scoreboard free, and then I can upload the like $1 one that's got the scoreboard and the upgrades and stuff. But I'm going to have to kind of reverse engineer the first game because it's actually deleted, and on the actual website, it doesn't have it anymore. Like, it won't let you install it. I already made it free, but it won't let you install it. I mean, maybe on some computers it will, but not on mine, and I don't know why. I mean, I got the proper packaging software. I don't know what's going on with it. But anyway, so I got to kind of reverse engineer, and this is the software I use for a Game Maker 7. So, like, here's this. See, there's the start bar. The new flavors. So you'll be having a scoreboard, and the new flavors are these. So it's so the blueberry is the one you already have, and the new one's raspberry, and these two aren't available yet because I realized it's going to be way more complicated than I thought it was. Um, because to add multiple flavors. So it was already super complicated to add this one and all the mechanics to make it work. So when the update comes for about $1, the original version will be free now, but the upgrade that will cost $1 or maybe a little less. It will only have these two flavors, so the original and this one. These won't be available. This screen will be, and you'll see them, but you'll see this not available right here because I have to make a lot of adjustments for it. But I got a scoreboard now, and the scoreboard might have a glitch in it because it did for me. So to fix the glitch, so I'm actually going to program that right now. So I just got to go to the area. So hang on. Here we go. So this is the basic programming for how it works. This and you go to the object, the sugar that you dodge, and it has this programming, which is or just this here, which is how the score works. So this plus these is how the score works. But there's a glitch where the score gets stuck and it won't let you do anything. So I'm just going to make it where if you press let's say, um, E. I'll say E. E. It will clear the scoreboard. So then it should work. I might have to adjust this code later on, but it should fix the glitch if you press E. If it's like, it will erase your scores, but that's only if you have no choice. Like if you can't. I don't know. I might be able to find a way to fix it, but that's all I can do for now. That all this was a massive amount of work, and the drink flavors, like probably about all this has taken like probably about 12 or more hours just of constant doing this. Anyway, so the original version, which is just the basic game with no scoreboard and no second flavor, it will be free now once I get it working, which I hope it works. But soon, for $1, the upgraded version will come with the scoreboard. You can type in your name, and or your family can each have a go, and you try and compete and see who's best at it. And it'll have this second flavor too. And it'll show these as well, but these won't be able to be used yet. I will figure it out eventually, but yeah. Anyway, thanks guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day.